Good morning student. Let us start our chapter in mensuration area related to circle. Firstly, we have to study in this chapter what is the circumference. The circumference, the perimeter or boundary of a circle is called circumference. It is the distance covered traveling once round of a circle. Okay. Circumference of the circle bear a constant ratio with its diameter. The constant ratio is denoted by in Greek letter pi. Circumference upon diameter equal to pi. Then the value of pi equal to 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Okay. There is some formula. Circumference of a circle is circumference is equal to 2 pi r and perimeter of the semicircle equal to pi r plus 2r. It means r plus r into pi plus 2. Rotating wheel, the formula of rotating wheel, distance moved by a wheel, distance moved by a wheel in one rotation equal to circumference of the wheel and number of rotation in 1 minute, distance moved in 1 minute upon circumference. This is the formula, the number of rotation, and this is the formula, distance moved by wheel in one rotation. Is it okay? Find the area of the circular park of Jankipuram whose circumference is given. This is using the formula we have to take the r, then r is equal to this and area equal to this. Is it okay to everyone? Now next part is length of an arc. If we have to find the length of an arc AB, this is the AB and formula is length of the minor arc AB is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. L if we find the value of L, this is the L, pi r theta upon 360. Then the sector of the circle means perimeter of the sector is perimeter equal to 2 pi r, 2r, we have to add the 2r and adding this value AB, it means 2r plus pi r theta upon 180. Area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. This is the value. It means when the length of the arc is given, then area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 L into R. Now, this is the question from the sector. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 42 centimeter and central angle of sector is 150 degree. Find the length of arc and area of the sector. Only we use the formula of length of the arc. This is the length of the arc and putting all the values in this equation, in this formula, and we get the answer. This is the length and area. The area theta upon 360 pi r square, putting all the given values in this formula and we get the area. This is the method to find the area and length of the arc, area of the sector, perimeter and length of the arc. Now, area of the segment. The segment of a circle is in the form of, if we draw the line of in circle on circle, then AB divide the circle in two part. Upper is major segment and lower part is minor segment. Area of minor segment, we have to find area of sector OAB and minus area of triangle OAB. Is it okay? Then what is the formula? Theta upon 360 area of circle minus half length into breadth. If 90 degree is given, then half base into height. Otherwise, we have taken OB sine AOB. Is it okay to everyone? The chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtended a right angle at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. The value of pi is 3.14. Firstly, we have to write AOD and COD. AOC and AOD is equal to 45. We have to divide right angle, this is the 90, and sine 45 is equal to AD upon AO, putting the value and find the value of AD. AD means this is our AD, and AC पूरा हो जाएगा 10√2. cos 45 से हम OD की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. OD इज दिस. द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकाल लेंगे हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट से, और एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर हो जाएगा 90 थीटा अपॉन 360 और पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एंड ट्रायंगल. सब्ट्रैक्ट both the numbers, both the values, and we get this is the area of segment, minor segment. If it is also said that find the area of major segment, then area of major sector equal to pi r स्क्वायर माइनस नंबर को माइनस कर देंगे और हमारे पास आ जाएगा आंसर. इज इट ओके टू एवरीवन? A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameter which divide the circle into 10 equal sector of in given figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required and area of each sector of the brooch. Firstly, we have to find circumference pi into d. D is the 35 and 110 millimeter square millimeter. अब length of 5 diameter. 5 diameter means 35 into 5. Both we have to add. पहले तो हमने circumference निकाल लिया और ये जो diameter 1 का दे रखा अब हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. This is the total wire required. देन एंगल ऑफ ईच सेक्टर डिवाइड कर देंगे 36 आएगा. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर रख देंगे इतना आएगा. ठीक है, तो ये सिंप्लीफाई करके हम लोग नाउ अ chord of a circle subtended angle 60 at the center. If the length of the chord is 100 centimeter, find the area of major segment. How we find the chord AB and AC? AC is the half. Then triangle ADC, sine 30 AC upon AD. The value of AD is 100. This is R. Cos 30 DC upon AD. The value of DC is equal to 50√3. Then triangle area of triangle find out कर लेंगे. सारी वैल्यू पुट कर दिया हमने. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फाइंड आउट कर लिया, पूरी वैल्यू रख दिया, दोनों को माइनस कर दिया. दिस इज द माइनर सेगमेंट, इट इज़ नॉट अ मेजर. Then how to find the major segment? Find pi r square and the value of minor segment, both are subtracted, then we get this number. This is the our area of major segment. Okay, now next topic is area of combination of the plane figure. We know how to calculate the area of circle, sector, segment separately. In our daily life, we come across the combination of plane figure for making interesting design. We illustrate the process of calculating area of combination of figure in following topics and following example. Now first question is the circumference of the circular park is 1314 meter. A 20 meter wide concrete park track is made around it. Calculate the cost of laying turf in the park at 1.25 square meter and rate of the concreting track is this. Firstly, we have to find the value of circumference is given, then value of r is equal to 50. Now radius of outer circle means capital R, both are at 50 and 20, 70 meter. and then after using the area of the path is equal to pi capital R small r minus small r square, putting both the value in this equation, we get the area of the path. This is the area of the path. Now cost of truck in the park pi r square, we have to find the pi r square. This is the pi r square, and cost of concreting on the track, both multiply and we get this number. Take, this is the rupees and this is the also rupees by trough of the park, cost of the trough of the park. Okay, now what we have to do next, the racetrack. Now this is not next question. In an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter, a circle is inscribed touching its side. Find the area portion of the triangle not included in a circle. ठीक ठीक, ये दोनों चीज़ें हमें दे रखी हैं, इनका हम यूज़ करते हुए अब हम वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे। कैसे, देखो ये डायग्राम बना लेना है ऐसे, चूँकि ये 60 है, क्योंकि ये 60 है तो इतना 30 हो जाएगा, इससे हम वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे tan निकाल के। हाउ फ्रॉम द फिगर tan 30 इज इक्वल टू r बाई 6, वैल्यू रख दिया, r की वैल्यू आ गई। एरिया नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन सर्किल, एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल माइनस एरिया ऑफ सर्किल। इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का फार्मूला होता है √3/4 ए स्क्वायर, मतलब साइड स्क्वायर, साइड की वैल्यू रख दी और यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने एरिया ऑफ सर्किल रख दिया, दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया और ये मेरे पास आंसर आ गया। सो दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस टू फाइंड द क्वेश्चंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंबाइंड एरिया। ओके।